On today's episode, we're going to look at the sun. No, don't look at the sun. That's dangerous. The sun is large. No, that's not right either. The sun is huge. Oh, we can do better than that. It's enormous. It's gargantuan. That's more like it. The sun alone contains 99.8% of the total mass in the solar system. The diameter, which is the distance from one end to the other, of the sun is 864,938 miles. The sun is so large that you would need 109 Earths, end to end, to stretch the entire distance from one end to the other, and over 1.3 million Earths would fit inside of the sun. The sun is approximately 93 million miles from Earth. The sun provides living things on Earth, heat and light. The importance of the sun includes the fact that it warms Earth's seas, it stirs the Earth's atmosphere, it generates Earth's weather patterns, and it provides energy to growing green plants. Here's some facts you should know about the sun. The sun is halfway through its life. It is 4.5 billion years old. The sun has burned off around half of its stored hydrogen, which is its fuel. It has enough hydrogen left to continue burning for about another 5 billion years. Currently, the sun is a yellow dwarf star. The surface temperature of the sun is over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It takes light only 8 minutes from the sun to reach Earth. The sun rotates at different speeds in different places. The temperature at the sun's center is over 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Humans have known about the sun ever since they've walked on the Earth. 8 planets orbit the sun in addition to asteroids, meteors, and comets. The sun averages a rotation per 25 Earth days. It's made out of 70% hydrogen, 28% helium, and 2% other metals. Stars like the sun produce heat and light. How? Stars like the sun produce heat and light by a process called nuclear fusion. Every second, 683 million tons of hydrogen is fused into helium within the sun's core. The Earth has layers. Does the sun? Absolutely. On the inside is the core. Next is the radiative zone. Then comes the convective zone. If you look even further out, comes the photosphere, then the chromosphere, then the corona. What is a solar flare? A solar flare is a sudden burst of energy from the sun's surface. The first solar flare was recorded in astronomical literature in 1859. In 1989, a solar flare knocked out Quebec's power grid for a time. Solar flares can disrupt communications and electronics. A solar flare can emit more energy than all of the atomic bombs ever detonated on Earth. NASA scientists study the sun to predict future solar flares. Did you know that there are sunspots on the sun that are larger than the Earth? What exactly are sunspots? Sunspots are cool and dark patches visible in the sun's photosphere. Sunspots are 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the sun's surface temperature. The number of sunspots rise and fall over an 11-year cycle. Chinese astronomers recorded information about sunspots in 28 BC. On April the 8th of 1947, the largest sunspot in modern history was measured at approximately 35 times the area of Earth. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, totally or partially hiding the image of the sun for a viewing person on Earth. So what is radiation? Radiation is a type of energy that the sun emits that includes heat and light. How much longer will the sun exist? The sun will burn the rest of its hydrogen for the next 5 billion years. Now let's summarize what we've learned about the sun. The sun is massive and massively important to the people and living things on Earth, as it warms Earth's seas, stirs Earth's atmosphere, generates Earth's weather patterns, and provides energy to growing green plants. The sun is beautiful. The sun gives us light, and the sun gives us heat. We're very thankful for the sun. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to connect with us. Check out our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and check out our Pinterest page. Hop on over to our YouTube channel where you can check out many exciting videos like the one that you've just seen. And check out our blog at www.bowtieguyandwife.com.